Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted PDF files from your iPhone. Whether you accidentally deleted an important document or can't find a file you downloaded earlier, don't worry, I'll walk you through several simple methods to get it back. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Files app on your iPhone. This is where most of your PDFs are usually stored, especially those you downloaded from Safari, Gmail, or other apps. Once you're in the Files app, tap Browse at the bottom and check both on My iPhone and iCloud Drive because your PDF might be in either location. Now, if you still don't see it, tap the Recents tab. Sometimes recently deleted or accessed files appear there, but if you accidentally deleted the file, don't panic. Go back and tap Browse again, then scroll down and select Recently Deleted. This folder works just like the recycle bin. Deleted files are temporarily stored here for about 30 days before being permanently removed. If you see your PDF file there, tap Select at the top right corner, choose the file you want to restore, then tap Recover at the bottom. The file will instantly be moved back to its original folder, usually on My iPhone or iCloud Drive. Now, let's say you can't find the file in the recently deleted folder. Don't give up yet. If your PDFs were stored in iCloud Drive, you can recover them from the iCloud website on any browser. Just go to iCloud.com, sign in with your Apple ID, and click on Drive. Next, check your recently deleted folder there as well. If your file shows up, select it and click Recover, and it'll reappear on your iPhone automatically once syncing completes. If you've backed up your iPhone to iCloud or iTunes, you can also restore the backup to get the file back. To do that, go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. Then, when you set up your iPhone again, choose Restore from iCloud Backup or Restore from Mac or PC. This method will bring your deleted files back, but keep in mind it resets your phone, so use it only if the document is really important. Finally, if none of these methods work, you can try using trusted third-party recovery apps like iMobi Phone Rescue, Dr. Phone, or EaseUS MobiSaver. Just make sure to use official apps and websites to protect your data. And that's it. You now know how to recover deleted PDF files from your iPhone using the Files app, iCloud Drive, backups, or recovery tools. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another helpful tech tutorial. See you in the next video.